Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you will be safe and healthy at your homes. Students, I am your maths teacher Mrs. Monica Sharma from California Public School. Today I will teach you maths topic actual difference and estimated difference to the nearest 10, 100 and 1000. So students, be ready to study with me. Take your notebooks and pencils with you, and here we start. Yes friends, today's topic is actual difference and estimated difference to the nearest tens, hundred and thousands. As in my previous video, I told you what is difference. Now in this lecture, I will tell you what is actual difference and what is estimated difference. How to find out actual difference and how to find out estimated difference. For example, here is one sum given to us 88 minus 64. Here you have to find out the estimated difference to the nearest tens and find actual difference also. Now here, what is actual difference? As the statement is given to us, in the same way we are going to calculate it, we are going to find the difference of it. That is actual difference, means we have not changed any digit in this statement. We are doing our calculation with this statement only, no change in the statement, means after doing the calculation what we will get? We will get actual difference. Here you can see 8 minus 4, 4, 8 minus 6, 2. 24 is the actual difference. Now next is how to find out estimated difference to the nearest tens. To find out estimated difference to the nearest tens, firstly we will round off these two numbers to the nearest tens. After that we will subtract them and we will get the estimated difference. See how to do. First number is 88. When we will estimate it to the nearest tens, as in the previous videos I have also told you how to estimate the numbers to the nearest tens. Firstly we will do the estimation to the nearest tens. This is the ones place digit and this is the tens place digit. Ones place digit will become 0, tens place digit will be written according to the ones place digit. Tens place digit will be written according to the ones place digit. Ones place digit is more than 5, so this digit will become next. Ones place digit is more than 5, it is 8, so this 8 will become 9. So 88 rounded to nearest tens becomes 90. Now what was the second number? It is 64. This is ones place digit, this is tens place digit. Ones place digit will become 0, tens place digit will be written according to ones place, and you can see ones place digit is less than 5, so tens place digit will remain as it is. So it will become 60. So it will become 60. Now these are the estimated numbers 90 and 60, and when we will subtract them, then we will get estimated difference. 90 minus 60, 0 minus 0, 0, 9 minus 6, 3. So 30 is the estimated difference and 24 is the actual difference. Now see one more example. Estimate the difference to the nearest hundreds and find actual difference also. The question is 935 minus 639. How to find out the actual difference? 935 minus 639, and here you can see 5 minus 9 is not possible, so we will take one borrow from tens place and here it will become 15. 15 minus 9, it will be 6, and here one borrow is given already to ones place, so here 2 will left. 2 minus 3 is not possible, so we will take one borrow from 100 place and here it will become 12. 12 minus 3, 9, and here left 8. 8 minus 6, 2. We got 296. 296 is the actual difference. And how to find out the estimated difference to the nearest hundreds? 935. Ones place 5, tens place 3, 100 place 9. Now see, ones place it will become 0, tens place will also become 0, 100 place digit will be written according to tens place. Now tens place digit is less than 5, so 100 place digit will written be as it is. So it will become 900. Now what was the second number? 639. Ones place digit will become 0, tens place digit will become 0, and 100 place digit will be written 6. Why? Because tens place digit is less than 5, so 6 will remain 6. Now we got 900 and 600. These are the estimated numbers, and when we will get subtracted these numbers, then this is the estimated difference. 900 minus 600, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 9 minus 6, 3. So we got 300. This is the estimated difference. Now see one more example. 2496 minus 1578. find out the actual difference also and estimated difference to the nearest hundreds. Now see 2496 minus 1578. 6 minus 8 is not possible, so we will take one borrow from here. It will become 16. 16 minus 8, 8. So here left 8. 8 minus 7, 1. Now again 4 minus 5 is not possible, so we will take one borrow from here. It will become 14. 14 minus 5, 9. Here left 1, 1 minus 1, 0. So we got 918. Now how to find out the estimated difference? The number is 2496 and we have to estimate it to the nearest hundreds. Ones place digit will become 0, tens place digit will become 0, 100 place digit will be written according to tens place, and tens place digit is more than 5, so 100 place digit will become 5. And 2 will be written as it is. Now what is the next number? 1578. Ones place digit will become 0, tens place digit will become 0, 100 place digit will become next. Why? Because tens place digit is more than 5. So 5 will become 6 here and 1 will be written as it is. So we got 2500 and 1600, and these are the estimated numbers, and we will find out estimated difference. 2500 minus 1600. 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0. Here 5 minus 6 is not possible, so we will take one borrow from here, and here it will be 15 now. 15 minus 6, 9. 1 minus 1, 0. So we got 900. Now see next example. What is the statement? Estimate the difference to the nearest thousands and find actual difference also. And what is the question? 9438 minus 5678. Now how to find out the actual difference? As already you know, we will subtract these two numbers. 9438 minus 5678. 8 minus 8, 0. So 3 minus 7 is not possible, so we will take one borrow from here, and here it will become 13. 13 minus 7, 6. Here left 3. 3 minus 6 is not possible, so we will take one borrow from here. Here from 3 it will become 13. 13 minus 6, 7, and here left 8. 8 minus 5, 3. So we got 3760. Now how to find out estimated difference? Firstly, 9438 will be estimated to the nearest thousands. It is ones place digit, it is tens place digit, it is 100 place digit, it is 1000 place digit. Ones place digit will become 0, tens place digit will become 0, 100 place digit will also become 0, and 1000 place digit will be written according to 100 place, and 100 place digit is less than 5, so here 1000 place digit 9 will remain 9 only, so we got 9000. And what is the next number? 5678. Ones place digit will become 0, tens place digit will become 0, 100 place digit will also become 0, and 1000 place digit will become next. Why? Because 100 place digit is more than 5, so 1000 place digit will become next. It will become 6000. So we got 9000 and 6000. And how to find out the estimated difference? 9000 minus 6000. 0 minus 0, 0. Here 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 9 minus 6, 3. So we got estimated difference as 3000, and the actual difference was 3760. Now see one more example relating to this. 48,976 minus 13,475. And how to find out the actual difference? 48,976 minus 13,475. 6 minus 5, 1. 7 minus 7, 0. 9 minus 4, 5. 8 minus 3, 5. 4 minus 1, 3. Now how to find out estimated difference? 48,976, and we have to estimate it to the nearest thousand. Ones place digit will become 0, tens place digit will become 0, 100 place digit will also become 0, and 1000 place digit will become next. Why? Because 100 place digit is more than 5, so this 8 will become 9 and 4 will be written as it is. So we got 49,000. And what is the second number? 13,475. Ones place digit will become 0, tens place digit will become 0, 100 place digit will also become 0, and 1000 place digit will be written according to 100 place. 100 place digit is less than 5, so 1000 place digit will be written as it is, and 1 will be written 1 only. Yes, we got 13,000. Now 49,000 and 13,000, these both are estimated numbers, and when we will subtract these, and we will get estimated difference. 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0 0, 9 minus 3 6, and 4 minus 1 3. So 36,000 we got as estimated difference. So here students, I hope you have understood this concept. Do the assignments relating to it. Thanks. Have a beautiful day ahead.